Hello everyone, it's opposite day.
Hi, I'm over here now.
Stu and Aurora of Annapolis Valley Dance Company here, and this is our final lesson for the level 2 salsa. Right now we have a cumbia turn combination. We ready?
Mm-hmm.
Once again, we're just going to show you what this looks like and then we'll break it down. So, as always, the lead is starting on their left foot on the 1. 5, 6, 7, and basic step. 5, 6, 7, another basic. 5, 6, 7, into a cumbia. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, hair comb. 5, 6, 7, that is all. Let's do it again. Basic step. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and hair comb. 5, 6, 7. That's really all there is. So to break this down, here, I'm used to having you right over here. Wonderful. We're just going to have our basic step as always. When it's time for the cumbia, the lead is just going to indicate with their frame that something is about to change, and they're going to toss the hand of the follow, rotating that frame into the cumbia step. Okay, so let's just show them from this angle what that looks like. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So you see how he prepped his frame there. Do you have anything to add about that?
Make sure you're not doing your basic up high. You want to be nice and low, comfortable navel height. And on that 5...
Navel height of the follow.
Navel height of the follow, not yourself. And on that 5, if you don't mind, if we're 1, 2, 3, it's kind of a 5, 6, 7. You're kind of doing a bit of a motion.
Not an exaggerated swing, not too far across the midline of the two dancers. However, it's enough of an indication. It's again momentum. It's a little bit of a and go, and toss.
It's a gentle toss, by the way.
A gentle toss. We don't grab, we don't shove, we don't hang on to fingers.
No.
It's really important that we're gentle with our partners. That is something I don't think we say enough.
Yeah, physically and emotionally.
Okay, so one more time and then we'll put this to music. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Toss the hand and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and hair comb. 5, 6, 7, and basic step. The other thing I should mention is that for this to work properly, when you go into that cumbia, it is flat palm to flat palm, so there's a little bit of a pressure there. You can feel, he's not shoving me, but you can see that my arm is engaged here. There's enough tension that we can do our basics, rotate, do our basics. Now I'm pushing ever so slightly here. There's a resistance that helps me to stop from continuing forward. So again, if you're standing over here, just watch for that partner connection in the palm, and then we're gonna put the whole thing to music, okay? 5, 6, 7, and basic step. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Toss the hand and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, strong frame. 5, 6, 7, and comb. 5, 6, 7, and back. 5, 6, 7. All right, let's put this to music.